This is a movie of Tosh juggling with his juggling balls that he got at the Free Love Circus last night. One ball juggling. Hi, Rigo. Can you say goodbye?
Bye.
Okay, 2 ball juggling, 3 ball juggling. Let's see. Do you want to do your juggling with your leg? Where you throw it over, you can stand over there so I can see you over in front of the couch. Okay. Oh yeah.
Did you get that one?
Yep. Hi, Rigo.
Don't you say goodbye, Rigo? Bye.
Bye. Okay, this is the end of the movie. Anything else you want to say for the movie? Rigo, you want to say anything for the movie?
Did you get that off?
Yep, I did. I got